What if you could solve ASA triangles in fewer steps? In this video, we will discuss how to solve ASA triangles using the law of sines. Let us begin. Let's solve the triangle. A equals 50 degrees, B equals 60 degrees, and side C equals 10 units. Step 1. Find the third angle. In every triangle, the angles always add up to 180 degrees. That is, A plus B plus C equals 180 degrees. Since A equals 50 degrees and B equals 60 degrees, 50 degrees plus 60 degrees plus C equals 180 degrees. Subtract 50 degrees and 60 degrees from both sides of the equation. On the left side, since 50 degrees minus 50 degrees equals 0, and 60 degrees minus 60 degrees equals 0, we are left with C. On the right side, 180 degrees minus 50 degrees minus 60 degrees equals 70 degrees. So, angle C equals 70 degrees. Step 2. Use the law of sines. A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. Step 3. Solve for side A. Since side C is given, let us use A over sine A equals C over sine C. Substitute the given values. A over sine 50 degrees equals 10 over sine 70 degrees. Multiply both sides by sine 50 degrees to isolate A. On the left side, we have A times sine 50 degrees over sine 50 degrees. So we are left with A. On the right side, we have 10 times sine 50 degrees over sine 70 degrees. Using your calculator, sine 50 degrees is approximately equal to 0.7660, and sine 70 degrees is approximately equal to 0.9397. By substitution, A is approximately equal to 10 times 0.7660 over 0.9397, and the value of side A is approximately equal to 8.15 units. Step 4. Solve for side B. Do the same method for side B. Let us use B over sine B equals C over sine C. Substitute the given values. B over sine 60 degrees equals 10 over sine 70 degrees. Multiply both sides by sine 60 degrees to isolate B. On the left side, we have B times sine 60 degrees over sine 60 degrees. So we are left with B. On the right side, we have 10 times sine 60 degrees over sine 70 degrees. Using your calculator, sine 60 degrees is approximately equal to 0.8660, and sine 70 degrees is approximately equal to 0.9397. By substitution, B is approximately equal to 10 times 0.8660 over 0.9397, and the value of side B is approximately equal to 9.22 units. And that's it. We solved ASA triangle using the law of sines. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.